Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn EVS 1 subject, that is civics today. The topic is my upbringing. What does it mean by upbringing? Firstly, we are going to see these pictures. What do you see in this picture? You just tell me. In this first picture, the father is teaching his daughter how to write. And in the second picture, you can see the girl is learning the method of cooking from her mother. In third picture, boy is learning how to brush teeth from his mother. In fourth picture, you can see grandmother is telling stories to children. And in the fifth picture, you can see girl is learning how to ride a bicycle from her mother. In all of this picture, what you can see? We see that every child is learning from his mother, father, grandmother, grandfather. That is called an upbringing. We will see what is the definition of the upbringing. What is upbringing? Upbringing means the way a child is treated and taught how to behave by his or her parents. Upbringing means what? Means how a child is learning from her parents. मतलब एक बच्चा जो रहता है वो अपने पेरेंट्स से जो चीज़ सीखता है बचपन से, और जैसे माँ बाप उनको बड़ा करते हैं उसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? अपब्रिंगिंग. अगर हिंदी में हम लोग बोले तो जैसे लालन पालन बोलते हैं, वैसे ही इट इज़ कॉल्ड एन अपब्रिंगिंग. फ्रॉम होम डिड यू लर्न? ये सब चीज़ें हम लोग किन किन चीज़ों से, किन किन लोगों से सीखते हैं? तो देखो, पहले वी सी पेरेंट्स, relatives and neighbors, teachers and friends. From parents, what we learn? From parents we learn, they teaches us how to walk by holding hands. जब बच्चे बड़े होते हैं तो सबसे पहले कौन सिखाता है कि चलना कैसे है? How to walk. Our parents teaches us. Then they correct our mistakes. They correct our mistakes. If we do something wrong, then they are going to tell us that this thing is wrong. You should not do like this. That is, they are going to correct our mistake. And after that, they make us good persons. This is very important thing. Our parents never teaches us bad things. They always teaches us good things. And they make us a good person. Then how to brush. Our parents teaches us when we are small. They are teaching us how to hold the brush and how to make a paste on it and how to brush the teeth. Then all the things they are teaching us. And then how to bath. Our mother teaches us how to bath and how to behave with older people. Means we have grandmother and grandfather at home, how to behave with them. Means in the morning they are telling us to go and touch their feet and take their blessings and all. That all the things we learn from our parents. Now the second one are relatives plus the neighbors. Means neighbors are the most important part in our upbringing. Firstly, we are going to see what we learn from them. We learn foods means how to eat. When we go out, we eat many more things from outside. मीन्स नेबर्स के घर पे जाते हैं तो कभी उनके घर पे कुछ नई चीज़ बनी रहती है तो हम लोग उसको खाते हैं, उसको सीखते हैं हाउ टू ईट. आजू बाजू में जितने बच्चे रहते हैं उनके साथ रह के भी हम लोग ये चीज़ें सीखते हैं. देन फेस्टिवल्स, हाउ वी सेलिब्रेट द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स, दैट ऑल्सो वी लर्न फ्रॉम आवर रिलेटिव्स plus the neighbors. Then good habits. Some of the good habits we learn from our neighbors. Like means we go out and if we play in a muddy place or something like that, they are telling us don't play in this mud. मतलब इसे गंदगी में मत खेलो, एंड डू क्लियरली मेक द प्लेस क्लीन. All the things we learn from our neighbors. And in fourth place it is how to play. Means in our neighboring place we have many friends and we play over there, or we play with the relatives childrens. Then we come to know that how to play, and how we come to know about the rules of the play. Then how to ride bicycle, and we come to know how to, अगर अपने पास बाइसिकल है तो हम लोग बाहर लेके जाते हैं, तो suddenly we didn't come to know how to ride a bicycle, but from the friends or the neighbors or the relatives we come to know how to ride the bicycle. How to buy groceries. If we go out, sometimes our mother is telling us that go with the neighbor, in the neighbor one person is there, she is going to give name, and she is going to tell us that go with them for buying the groceries. How to behave with strangers. Means every time we come to know that we should not talk to the strangers, or who all are telling us these things. Our parents are telling that is okay, but our relatives and neighbors are also telling us that be away from the strangers. Then the physical fitness. Means we are seeing others, that how they are behaving and how they are keeping themselves fit. We come to know how to keep ourselves fit. Then from the teachers, what we come to know, firstly we are getting education. We are getting in this, means we learn many more things from the teachers. Now correct our mistakes, like parents, teachers are also correcting our mistakes. And make a good person, or you can say a citizen, or become a good citizen. Teacher is guiding us always. Then a discipline. In school we learn a disciplines, means how to be a punctual on time, how to work in a group, how to be clean, and all the things teacher is teaching us. Now from friends, what we learn, study habits. Means one person is there, means example, if Ramesh is studying very hard and you are not learning at all, then you will come to know that how Ramesh is managing all the things and doing homework, and how he is learning all the things, and you will also learn how to study. Now second thing is neatness. If somebody is coming in a neat and clean uniform, then you will also learn that how to be a neat and clean and come to the school. Then playing games. In the sports time, you are playing with the friends in the school, and you come to know that what are the rules of the games. After this, we are going to learn some of the personal hygiene. पर्सनल हाइजीन के लिए हम लोग को क्या क्या करना है. सी, फर्स्टली टेक बाथ एवरी डे, यू शुड बाथ. सेकेंड वन, ब्रश टीथ, you should brush your teeth every day. Twice you have to brush your teeth, means in the morning and before going to the bed. Then oil your hair, every day you have to oil your hair. Then wash hands before eating or doing something, means you have to keep your hands clean. Then wear clean clothes, कपड़े हमेशा धो के पहनने चाहिए. You should clean your clothes every day. Then in school what we study, punctuality, means to come on time and do our homework every day and keep our books update. Then cleanliness, we learn cleanliness from the school. means आप लोग ने देखा होगा, हम लोग बार बार बोलते हैं क्लास में, what we are telling you that keep this all the rubbishes in the garbage and all, means साफ रखना है क्लास को हमेशा. that all the things we are studying in the school. Then group work, we study a group work in the school, that how to be in a group and how to give our so many ideas, and how to सबको मिलके कैसे एक आइडिया को मतलब करना है, उसके लिए हम लोग ग्रुप वर्क करते हैं. देन डिसिप्लिन वी लर्न फ्रॉम द स्कूल. देन स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट मीन्स स्पोर्ट्स के लिए हम लोग को कभी ऐसे लगता है कि नहीं हमें करना है या फिर हम लोग कर सकते हैं. ऑल द थिंग्स वी लर्न फ्रॉम द स्कूल. देन टू बी हेल्दी. Then to be responsibility and how to work in a team. Then the domestic chores means घर में हम लोग कैसे मदद करते हैं. To keep the table neat means हम लोग जहाँ खाते हैं या जो कोई टेबल है आपके घर पे तो उसको साफ कैसे रखते हैं. And pick up toys and books means you should pick up your toys if you are playing somewhere, or if you are keeping your books in a cupboard or in a drawer, that you should put it properly. Then bring groceries. If mother is telling you to buy groceries, then you should go and bring it. These all are the domestic chores that you should do in the home, and many more things we are learning in the daily work. Then in homework I will give you some worksheet on it, and I will give you some of the things whatever I written on the board. So we will see in a new lecture, and I am going to give you some more things in this my upbringing chapter. Thank you.